A simple pendulum doing small oscillations at a place r height above the earth surface has a time period of 4 seconds. T2 would be its time period if it is brought to a point which is at a height 2r from the earth surface, where r is the radius of the earth. In given question, initially simple pendulum is placed at a height r from the surface of the earth. We know acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth is gm by r square. When height increases, then acceleration due to gravity also changes. Initial height is equals to r from the surface of the earth. G1 is equals to gm by r plus h whole square. Given height is r. R plus r, 2r. 2r whole square is equals to 4r square. And after increasing the height, h2 is equals to 2r from the surface of the earth. G2 is equals to gm by r plus 2r whole square. Then gm by 9r square. Now we want to give the relation between time periods. Time period depends upon square of the length of the simple pendulum and acceleration due to gravity at the given point. Here 2 pi is constant. L also constant. Why? Because the length of the simple pendulum is constant. Then T proportional to 1 by square root of G. Take T1 by T2. T1 by T2 is equals to square root of G2 by G1. So try to understand here why we are taken L is constant, length of the pendulum is constant. T1 by T2 becomes to square root of G2 by G1. Now T1 by T2 is equals to square root of, in place of G2 substitute Gm by 9r square. G1 equals to Gm by 4r square. It becomes reciprocal 4r square by gm. Gm get cancelled, r square also cancelled. Then T1 by T2 is equals to 2 by 3. Take cross multiplication. 3T1 is equals to 2T2. This is the relation between the given time periods. 3T1 equals to 2T2. Second option is correct.